are all familiar with the term resto-mod and how it gets thrown around to describe cars which, one, haven't been restored all that well, and two, haven't been modded all that much. But simply put, the true theme of the resto-mod movement is the best of everything. And if there was ever a textbook example of a true-to-form resto-mod, the 69 Plymouth Roadrunner has to be it. After spending much of its life as a clean driver, this awesome B-body was the perfect starting point for a professional ground-up restoration that mixed a killer engine with classic Mopar attitude. According to its restorer, that straight body is all original metal, and it was drenched in brilliant red two-stage. And polished bumpers and factory mirrors joined a customized hood and subtle Roadrunner scripts for just the right amount of detail. Between the doors, a tasteful combination of factory and aftermarket seating highlights a mix of suede and ultra-leather upholstery. A custom dash founds autometer gauges next to push-button ignition, controls for modern AC and modern audio. A long, wood-trimmed console toggles a pistol grip shifter in front of switches for power windows, and the driver spins a polished and half-wrapped steering wheel on a tilting column. Pull the hood pins and you'll find 472 cubic inches of Ray Barton Hemi fed by two massive Holley carburetors. That powerful engine sends power back to a Tremec 5-speed, back to a Moser Dana 60 rear. Fully sorted, road-ready muscle cars don't get much cooler than this awesome Roadrunner, and whether you choose to drive it or show it, this is one no-excuses Mopar that's sure to turn heads. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.